inches. I was not expecting that to come down so low after that.
Well, the wind's coming from behind me, so.
So our first trip out, we were at a COA that was pretty local to where we were home based. Scott was off to Canada, and life went on as normal for us.
Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
We were in a little town called Picacho. There wasn't a lot to do there, but it was always nice to wake up and see the horses and to be able to go on a walk. Other than that, we didn't do much. We were really doing a lot of work inside the rig still. The kids were tremendous, and if you missed that, that was on the last video.
We are dreamers of the shore.
Why would they stick that here? You find some really weird things in the desert sometimes. No sign, no nothing, just desert and that.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like.
So the jury's still out on the grill. It's good to barbecue on or grill on, but it's kind of tedious to clean, and I don't know if that's because I'm just not used to it yet. So we're going to give it a little bit more time, but so far the kids really enjoy all the food. But again, that's not saying much because they would eat anything.
This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.
So I was able to get 3 of us scheduled for our vaccines, which was super exciting and a little bit of a relief at the same time. So we got those done, but when you're done with a vaccine, what do? You need a good chocolate cake to make everybody smile. And then we were right next to the Casa Grande ruin, so we hung out there for a little bit. Not that there was a ton to see, it was still truly fascinating at how they built this. Well, here we are again. It's a little bit dark in here. Hi, Will. We can't see you, Will.
Oh, sorry.
It's dark in here once again. We have the blinds closed because it's over 90 degrees outside. And we've had another power outage at a different park. I don't know if this is normal or not, but it seems to be our luck.
Going on?
So we're at the campsite, and once again we lost power. So this is what you do. Out of power, so Mason's checking to see where we're at.
I don't know how to check this.
Sure you do. Don't be smart.
I don't.
Funny boy. We lost power. Life carries on. Or life finds a way. Whatever you prefer. But this is us without power.
We are dreamers of the shore.
Not my Haagen-Dazs.
Seven years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Ooh, wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on.
Next week, we're in Cottonwood, Arizona, and we go to Montezuma's Castle and to Tusigut. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore.